Evenly apply RF cream to the treatment area. Body RF. Unclog channels, firm skin, and contour the body. Settings, time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3-inch. Glide the handle in small circular motions around the navel area. Glide the handle in big circular motions around the navel area. Move the handle up and down on the waist. Lift the belt vessel. Lift the belt vessel using the handle and hand. Cleanse the treated area and apply gel. CAVI. Clear channels and refine body contours. Settings, time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1-inch. Glide the handle in small circular motions around the navel area. Glide the handle in big circular motions around the navel area. Move the handle up and down on the waist. Lift the belt vessel. Lift the belt vessel using the handle and hand. Cleanse the treatment area and apply essential oil. Body vacuumer. Dampness expulsion, detoxification, skin firming, and body shaping. Settings, time, 15 minutes. RF energy level, 3. Vacuum setting, set according to individual endurance. Suction duration, 5. Release duration, 2. The suction duration should exceed the release duration. Glide the handle in small circular motions around the navel area. Glide the handle in big circular motions around the navel area. Move the handle up and down on the waist. Lift the belt vessel. Lift the belt vessel using the handle and hand. Wipe the treatment area with a towel. Laser pad application. Enhance body shaping and metabolism boosting. Settings, time, 20 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Secure the strap around the waist. Insert the laser pads into the strap. Let the device operate for 20 minutes. Remove the strap and pads. EMS hot. Build muscle and reduce adipose tissue. Settings, time, 20 minutes. EMS energy level, 3. Hot energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Secure the strap around the waist. Apply gel to the patch. Secure the patches using the strap. Let the device operate for 20 minutes. Remove the strap and patches.